In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a lead funnel tracking board in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable setup that helps you capture new leads, move them through your funnel, and see exactly where every opportunity stands. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or on the desktop app and logging in. Once you're in your workspace, create a dedicated space for leads. Click Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it Lead Tracking. Keeping everything in its own space prevents clutter and makes managing access and reporting much easier. Inside that space, add two folders to separate your pipelines, one for sales team and one for marketing team. This separation keeps responsibilities clear and allows each group to manage their work in parallel without overlap. Within each folder, build your funnel structure using lists. Create 4 lists and name them New Leads, Contacted, Qualified, and Closed. These lists represent your stages. You'll move a leads task from one list to the next as it advances, so the current stage is always obvious at a glance. Quick note before we add leads. If you don't already have ClickUp installed or an account set up, there's a link at the top of the description to download the app or sign up on the website. Use whatever you prefer. Everything we're doing works the same in both. Now, add tasks for each lead. Create a task with a clear, specific title, such as lead from webinar sign up, lead from social media ad, referral lead, or cold outreach lead. Consistent naming helps with search, filtering, and reporting later on. Turn on and arrange the fields you'll need to track leads clearly. Add priority to signal urgency, as you need to make ownership explicit, a due date for the next touchpoint, and ensure the status column is visible so you can see progress without opening each task. Next, set up your task statuses to track work on each lead. Keep it simple and universal across lists. To do for untouched work, in progress for active follow-up, and completed when actions for that stage are done. Consistency here makes it easier for your team to understand what to do next. From here, monitor progress in the view that suits you. List view is perfect for sorting and filtering by priority or due date. Board view gives you a visual pipeline you can scan quickly. Drag a task to a different list as the lead advances through stages, and update the task status to reflect the current work state. That's it. You now have a ClickUp funnel tracking board to manage leads efficiently, making it easy to track your sales pipeline and follow up on opportunities. Thanks for watching.